So today I will show you how to create a double exposure with Photoshop. Okay, the final result is like this. So let's try. Open our photo first. Here I just drag to our project and then try to duplicate, or try to hold Ctrl and J here. I just hide the main image first, and don't forget to add another image. Okay, this train I just drag. Okay, perfect. And then try to make a precision first. I just try to reduce the opacity, the locomotive, okay, the train, okay, and then just make sure. I think it's enough like this, and then the train just move. Okay, wait, too much, like this. And what we have to do next is try to change to 100% again here. Okay, perfect. Let's try to create the background first. Try to create another layer here and fill with the background color. So I choose the paint bucket tool, and then color I try to use this a little purple, but little purple, not too purple, but a little bit gray. Okay, click. Okay, perfect. And then try to remove. Okay, try to remove this image, but before we do that, try to go back to 100, the locomotive, and try to create masking. Hold Control here and then click the locomotive. Wait, I just click here, hold Control and click on this women. Click like this. Next is try to masking. Release the Control button, okay, on the keyboard, and then click the locomotive. Try to click masking here. Okay, perfect, like this. So next step is try to using brush. Okay, I just choose the brush tool, change to, this is white, so change the color to white. Okay, white, or we can just press X like this. Okay, so I just try to using brush like this. Okay, so okay, like this. I think it's enough. Okay, nah. Next is I just try to wait. Not well, just try to copy and paste again, or duplicate. Control J and then drag to at the very top here, and try to this is use erase, I think. So basically I just try to rename, right click, and then wait, just rename, erase, okay, erase tool, okay, erase tool 1 here. I just I just mark, okay, erase tool 1, and then try to erase first. Okay, I just try to erase this. Let's try. Okay, hold Alt and change the hardness to 50. Okay, and then okay, change the diameter. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, don't okay, we must really precision about this. Okay, okay, not on the air, but okay. Okay, try to erase. Hold on. Okay, just take it slow. Okay, and change the size. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, wait, change to this. Okay, our first layer. Okay, try to erase or this, I think. Okay, this. Okay, John, we must okay, to here. I think it's really precision. Okay, this or this. Okay, perfect. Next is try to create a shape. Okay, create a shape. Okay, and just drag to our okay, I just want to pick a color here using color picker. Okay, this eyedropper tool here. Next is I just try to create a shape here. So basically I just click here and then choose ellipse tool, just hold shift on the keyboard and try to move it. Okay, I just try to move like this, I think. Okay, just need a little bit. Okay, it's done like this, and then okay. So next is try to create the color, or we do some like blending like this. Let's try to create pot blending. It's pot blending here. I just try to copy this, just duplicate again here. Okay, wait, this hold on. Okay, I think it's not work. Okay, and then I just try to change. Okay, give the curve. Okay, it's not curve. Give the level. I just try to okay, how about this, and using the gradient map here. Okay, so basically I just try to change the color to this, and then okay, perfect, the color to this, and then this, it's this, and click OK. And next is try to change to lighten. Okay, perfect, like this. I think we try to change again. Yeah, no. So I think it's enough. Next is try to create text, or we can manipulate the color like this. So I just want make this bird here, just drag. Okay, hold shift, and then like this. So perfect, and try to create sun. I think this light there. Okay, like this. We can just add a text here. So I think I just create text here. Just say to Tokyo, change font to Arial, and then set to vertical, Tokyo. Okay, just forget about this. I just delete Tokyo. Okay, like this, I think, and create a text again here. I think I just go to lip zoom, and copy several image, copy and paste here. Wait, just hold, left click, drag and release and pass here. Okay, perfect, like this. I think it's enough like this. Make a small and then try to create, just apply, create another text here. I just make a Tokyo here, but using a different font family. I use the hiragana. Okay, perfect, like this. Make some little bigger here. So the color is depend on us. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, so that's it for today about the double exposure using Photoshop. I think it's enough. You can try. Okay.